How to edit troll face shots like this.
Clima perfeito. Farafiados. Pintura delas de bailão em bailão.
Okay, if you want to make such videos, follow these steps. Open Capcut and import your clip. Click on ratio and choose 3:4. Go to basic tools and adjust your clip properly. Go to the audio library, click extract, select your funk audio and adjust it with the video. Click the beat tool and add your video clips according to the beat. Go to the timeline where you want the shake effect. Click the freeze option below to create a freeze frame of that clip. Match the beat with the freeze image by cutting the clip and adjusting speed, either fast or slow, like I'm doing. Click Adjust tool and set the video's brightness, contrast, saturation, brilliance, sharpen, clarity, highlights, and shadows. Go to the graph option, tap the center of the graph to make a dot and lift the dot slightly, like this. Click Apply to all clips. Go to Export settings. Export the video. Go to the part of the video where the freeze image is and zoom in. Export this version in low quality. Open Alight Motion and create a new project with 4:5 ratio. Import video. Tap the 3 dots and select Fill Composition area. Add your color correction or CC. Select the CC layer, tap the 3 dots again and choose Fill Composition area. Add your warning element and watermark and adjust them with your video. Export the video. Open VMake and go to the Image Resolution tool. Click AI Repair, select your video. Apply the settings. And export the video. Open Photo Library and go to the Freeze Image section in the timeline. Tap Google Lens to save the freeze image to your gallery. Open Chrome and search BG Remover in the search bar. Open the first website, tap the plus icon and import your freeze image. Wait for the background to be removed. Click Save. Open PixArt and add your saved image. Click Image tool, then select Image Enhance tool. Wait a few seconds and save the image. Open Alight Motion and create a new project with 9:16 ratio. Import the lowest quality video. Go to the point where the freeze image starts and mark it. Delete the video and add the highest quality version. Go to the mark point and add the background removed image. Extend the image till the end of the video. Duplicate the image. Add the effect and select Fill Composition area. Send both layers down. Copy the aura effect and paste it onto the duplicated image. Add text and adjust it with your video. Go to the mark point and add some PNGs. Duplicate the PNG image and apply aura effect. Add a soft cat face green screen. Go to Effects. Add chroma key and adjust it properly. Increase the speed and cut any extra part. Duplicate the green screen and apply aura effect again. Add another video and adjust it well. Go to Blend and select Lighten. Send this video layer below all other layers. Add PNGs and text according to your video style. Export the video in high quality. First, we will create a 9:16 ratio project again, and in that, we will import our exported video. Then we will add some text and some elements. Once the video is edited properly, we will add a square shape. Then we will increase it and adjust it properly on the upper black area and do the same adjustment at the bottom. Then go to color and make both shapes black. After that, we will extend both shapes from the beginning till the end. Long tap on all the layers and group them. Wherever we want to add the shake effect, we will split there. Then we will copy the shake effect and paste it at the end exactly where we split. Export the video in high quality, create a new 916 project again, import the video you exported from Capcut, tap the three dots and click extract audio. Export the final video,